basically I have a meter which I had been using for the last 25 years. It's a model 179. It's a bit dirty, but that is, as you can see.
Is it still working?
Yes, I can show you. I turn on the meter. Even the light is still working. Fluke product is durability. When we use this, we are exposed to many environments, and also it's very easy to use. But what is also important, you still can have the support, local support to maintain the equipment.
Back in 1995, for a project in Malaysia, I'm upgrading a propulsion engine system, and until today I'm still using it, and it never failed me. And one of the key points that I would like to mention is the durability. Why? Because sometimes we don't really handle in a proper manner. We can just throw it, keep it sometimes under the sun, and it's still working.
Yes, definitely.